Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, and here I have to show you the 3 add-ons to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month, has 4 collections. So be sure to check out the other video that shows you everything in the Flavors of the Month for April. But these are the 3 add-ons that you can select to go with that kit. So there's a cardstock add-on, a patterned paper, and an embellishment add-on. The cardstock paper, I just wanted to show you, there are 3 cardstocks that go with each one of the 4 collections. So they're chosen to coordinate really well with the colors in that collection. And Rochelle does an awesome job. So you can see this yellow and the turquoise goes with this. Here's your blue and rust. So the colors are just gorgeous and so well matched up. So if you like having cardstock backgrounds or doing digital die cuts, or matting your photos with cardstock, be sure to add on the cardstock add-on, as well as patterned paper and the embellishment. So we're going to go through each one of these and look at them up close. So let's start with cardstock. The cardstock add-on, like I stated previously, has 3 colors or 3 cardstocks to go with each one of the 4 kits. So for your American Crafts box of crayons, the colors that you're going to receive are 1 sheet of Rain and 2 sheets of yellow. Then for the Echo Park Imagine That, you're going to get 1 sheet of Pumpkin Patch and 2 sheets of Admiral. For the Pink Fresh, Let Your Heart Decide, there's 1 sheet of Mediterranean and 2 sheets of Quartz. And then the Simple Stories I Am is a sheet of Mint and 2 sheets of Rosebud. So you can tell, beautifully coordinated to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. The next add-on is the patterned paper add-on. So this is one of my favorites. I love patterned paper. If you want to create more with your kit or have more options, you like to layer different patterned papers, then be sure to add this to your Flavors of the Month. You're going to get 2 additional patterns for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not included in your Flavors of the Month kit. They're just additional patterned papers to go with that collection. So Chamel's box of crayons, we have this one called Outpouring, which has this great heart with all the different patterns on the navy blue with the polka dots. The back side is a yellow striped with the purple polka dots. And again, full branding strip, so it has all of the hearts in the different colors. The second pattern from Box of Crayons is this one called Promise, which has really pretty floral design. And the back is this turquoise striped on the navy blue and the branding strip with the florals. Your next collection from Echo Park, Imagine That, you're going to get the 4x6 journaling cards, and so this has the diagonal stripe and then the 4x6 journaling cards on the other side. So these are great to add into your layouts for some journaling or a little bit of a title. We have this one here that has all of the constellations, some planets. This one's called Lost in Space, and it has the word phrases on the minty green. From Pink Fresh, Let Your Heart Decide is this great design that's pink, and it has this little mesh design and the different colors on it, and then the botanicals and the flowers. The back side is this wonky kind of scalloped design, so that's really a cute, fresh design. This one called Instinct has those same botanicals on that really light blue. And the back side is this kind of orangey design that fades out. It has the white, kind of look like a painted design over here that goes over it, so that'd be a fun background. The Simple Stories I Am has this beautiful butterfly print. These would be great to fussy cut. This one's called Choosing Happiness, and it has the diagonal pink stripe on the off-white, and it's not quite as diagonal as a lot of the diagonal prints, so that's fun. And then this one, that's the 4x4 cut apart. Again, you could use these to tuck in as layers or fussy cut some of these designs. The back side is this fun floral print in the yellow. So one more look at your patterned paper add-on. So be sure to check that out if you love patterned paper. The last add-on I have to share is the embellishment add-on, and I think this is a must for your Flavors of the Month kit. So be sure to check this out and add it on if you love creating lots of clusters and embellishments and you want to make your kits go even further. So from American Crafts, Chamel's Box of Crayons collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of the 6x12 sticker sheet. So that will vary among the kits. For the Echo Park Imagine That, you're going to get the chipboard thickers. So it has some phrases and some frames and icons. It has that silver foiling throughout, so a lot of fun. The Simple Stories I Am collection, you will get the chipboard stickers on that as well. There's 34 of them. This great tassel banner. I love the glasses. It also has that copper kind of rose gold foiling. And then the Pink Fresh, Let Your Heart Decide. You're going to get half a pack of the wood veneers. So these are painted and stamped on wood veneers, as well as they have the gold foiling too on different ones of the pieces. So some really fun embellishments to add to your projects. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. So one more look at your 3 add-ons, the cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. If you're not already a subscriber of the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup so you'll be notified when new videos are released. And come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook page to see what the design team's coming up with their kits, as well as the fellow subscribers. And join in on the challenges for some fun prizes. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.